Good morning, students. Here we are with another math lesson review. I want you to take this time to start working in reviewing all those strategies we have learned through the school year, and we're going to use them through these reviews we're going to be doing this week. So get ready. For this week, we're going to review multiplication. So I need you to get your paper, pencil, and have a great attitude to get all those knowledge that we already know and put them in place. So we're going to start with our learning target. Our learning target is going to be, I can solve word problems using different strategies. And I want you to say it out loud. I can solve word problems using different strategies. Amazing. Now, before we start solving problems, I want you to go over that strategy that we call Q strategy. And in that strategy, we need to circle, underline, box, explain, and solve. This is the strategy that we need to use to solve these word problems. And this is super simple, guys, for you. We are almost in 4th grade, so this is super easy for you. So we have this first problem. I want you to read the problem and listen to me too. Caroline has 7 boxes of pencils. There are 6 pencils in each box. How many pencils does Caroline have? And I want you to think, what kind of problems is this one? Okay, it is a multiplication problem. We need to know how many pencils does Caroline have. But remember that we need to follow those steps. So I want you to pause the video and write down the problem and work the strategies that we have reviewed so far. Great. Now, this is what we have. We have to circle the numbers. We have to underline the questions. We have to box the words that are going to help us. So, going back to this problem, we have how many pencils does Caroline have? How do I know that? What do I need to do? Oh yeah, we need to multiply 7 times 6. That is going to give us, awesome, 54. So, Caroline has 54 pencils. This one's pretty easy. Let's do another one. Let's see. Miss Lyle plants 4 rows of tulips in her garden. There are 12 tulips in each row. How many tulips did Miss Lyle plant? So, she has 4 rows of tulips in her garden. Here we go. She has 4 rows. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great. Now, we have 12 tulips in each row. We have 12, 12, 12, and 12. Awesome. What do I need to do? How do I know how many did she plant in total? Okay, so we can add. We can add 12 plus 12, that's 24. And then plus 12 is going to be 36. Phenomenal. And finally, plus 12 is going to be 48. But guys, do you know any other strategy we can use to find the answer? Yes? This one is like the strategy that I used like when we started back in August to draw. Give me a different strategy. I want you to find a different way to solve these problems because I know you can do it. I want you to pause the video and and give me another strategy to solve this problem and share it with me or your teacher on your Dojo portfolio. Now, problem number 3. For a cookout third grade had last weekend, Katie brought 4 6-packs of soda. If there were 10 people at the cookout and each person drank 2 sodas each, how many sodas are left? Again, I need you to pause the video and try to solve the problem by yourself. Okay, this is how I would do it. Let's check if you did it the same way. So my first step is, oh my gosh, Katie brought 4 packs, 4 6-packs. So I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have 4 6-packs, okay? So how much does this give me? How much does this give me? It's giving me 6 times 4, how much is it? 24, that's it. But after that, we know that there were 10 people in that party, and each of them drank 2. Each of them drank 2. So what do I need to do with this information? Oh yes, I need to multiply. 10 times 2 is going to be 20. But if we go back to the problem, the question of the problem is how many sodas are left? So how many sodas are left? Are they the 24th? Are they the 20? No. Now we need to subtract. We need to subtract the 24 sodas that Katie brought minus the 20 that the people in the party drank. So that's gonna give us 4. Amazing. Wow. So 4 sodas are left. Now, we have a last problem. And this problem, I'm not gonna do it. I want you to read the problem. Take a minute to read the problem. And be careful because this problem can be tricky. So you need to work out each of the questions. I want you to look at this question. It says, a teacher is identifying patterns found in a multiplication table. And you have 4 patterns. The hint I'm going to give you before you find your answers, that is going to be in the next slide. I want you to work out each pattern to check if they are correct or no. After you do that, you can go to the next one. Okay, and then you will see your options to check according to your work which one is the correct one. Did you work out the problems? Awesome. Now I'm gonna give you the options. So these are the options. Which one patterns are correct? So choose one of these options and send it through your teacher. Take a picture on your paper and send them through Dojo. Don't forget, we are solving problems using different strategies. So I want to see how you work out these problems. After you send, you can pause the video and send it to your teacher. And after that, you have to go to your practice. I hope you have a wonderful day.